Hi guys, so in this video we are going to test our paddle pay payment gateway through the easy digital download products. So let's just assume that you already have lot of products in your WordPress website with the easy digital downloads plugin. So now we will see that how to connect those products to your paddle account to get the payment by via paddle gateway. So first of all, we have to go to the edit of any kind of products. Then under the price option, you will see a option that is saying connect to paddle. Here is a checkbox. So once we click that checkbox, it will try to connect through the API and it will create this product from your WordPress to the paddle account. And after creating the product and prices, the price will be automatically synced to your paddle account. So we can see that this product price is actually $29, and it will also create the product price with $29 to your paddle account. So let's see this, and after getting the price ID, it will be automatically pasted here, and you will just save changes and we can test it with our sandbox account. So let's test it. So click the checkbox. So here you can see it is syncing. Yeah, the product syncs successfully and we have received the price ID here, and now we can update this product, and you can also see this product actually created on your paddle account by going to your paddle dashboard. On the left sidebar, under the option says catalog, and go to products. Here you can see the product is created here. So if you click on this product, and you can see here is a price ID also created automatically through your paddle API by using our plugin. So that's how our plugin actually works. So now let's check the payment is actually work or not. So we can view this product on a new tab, and we can create actually we can click the purchase button. So after clicking the purchase button, now go to the checkout page. So here you can see two payment gateways. Actually one is the default payment gateway for the easy digital download, and other is the paddle pay, which we have configured earlier. So let's click on that. So once we click on this paddle pay tab, we can see a inline checkout field for the paddle gateway. So let's just give the email, and let's give my country and continue. I'm giving the test card here, and then let's give a name, also the expiry date. Actually those informations are for testing environment, not all of the information are real. It's actually testing environment. So let's pay the $29. Let's check just what will happen. So after clicking the pay button, so you can see it is redirecting to the confirmation page. So I can see the payment is confirmed, and we can see the payment is actually received. So how we can verify that? So going to the order section, and we can see the gateway is paddle pay, and total amount of $29. And also by going to your paddle dashboard, you can actually go to your transaction page. Yep, nice. See the product name and the customer email and payment amount, also the payment method and the status, and also you can see the transaction date. So actually the transaction is successfully done. So not only from your paddle dashboard, you can also see the transactions from your current WordPress dashboard. So go to the paddle pay menu, and under the menu you will find the transactions. So you can see the transaction ID, and also you can see the amounts and also payment details and status. Yep, and also you can find a nice analytical dashboard to actually verify and see all of the data. You can see here is the revenue split chart. You can see the $29 on 12th January. So that's how it's work. Thank you.